everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 25th to the 29th of January 2021 on Monday. Khanyo accuses Sebenzile of having an eye on Phakade. Shreya and Jason go on another date together on Tuesday. Mazulu is still sure Nkululeko is up to something and won't let go of her hatred for Thokozile on Wednesday. Kamadonsela is welcome home but is weighed down by guilt. Mandlovu is suspicious when Thokozile is dead. On Thursday, Makhosazana praises Nokzola to tell Zitulele about her fling with Nkululeko on Friday. Zitulele proposed to Nokzola in a surprise ceremony. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.